Today you'll be playing a game called Evolve. So what you're going to do first is you can click Start New Game. Ready to get started with Digital Passport? First create a username. Your username should be all one word. You can use up to 12 characters. Please make it memorable, but do not use your real name. So not using your real name is a safety thing on the internet. And looking at the word characters, so a character, when you're using it in a username, that can be a letter, a number, a symbol, a space. Those are all considered characters. So you could make up anything. So it could be even something as simple as the best game or the best gamer. We'll see if that works. And it did. So when you're playing this game, please make sure you're reading through the scenarios. There are 3 rounds in this game, and once you finish playing the game, after you're done, you can go to typing.com and sign in, and if you would like, you can either do a lesson or you can play a typing game on that website.